Hello everybody and welcome back to the site or the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to fetch words from a website and we're going to count them. So I'm going to start off, I'm going to create a subroutine using sub and I'm going to call it words. I'm just going to call it word count, simply like that. So first of all, we use print here to tell the user what we want the user to do. So enter URL. Okay, and then we use chomp for the new line. My scalar URL. This is a scalar variable, and we assign it to standard input here, which gets the input from the user. The user types in, it grabs it. Okay, then we create another variable called web content. And we assign that to get and the scalar URL. So we're going to get the web content from that. Okay. So now we're going to come on to a conditional. If, and we're going to say defined here, scalar web content. So basically, we're going to check the content has been fetched. Okay, so then if it has, I'm going to create an array here of words. My words. So store the words in that, and we're going to split the content into an array of words here. So we'll use split. I'm going to do it on white spaces. And that's going to be scalar web content. Right. And then we're going to print off the words. So it's simply going to be words. And we want to find out how many words there are. So we do this by using scalar, which will get the total number of words, and then the array words here. And then of course we do the new line. Okay. Or else, let's have a look. We're just gonna give it a generic error message. Print. Let's have a look. Print. Let's say scalar URL error. And a new line. There we go. Right, we'll just save that, and we're going to call the program from here word count. I'm just going to save that. We're just going to run the program. Okay, so there's the program. Let's just get it like that. HTTPS, and I'm going to do example.com. Hit enter. Words 120 on that page. Okay, I'm just going to try the error here. So let's have a look. Let's do HTTPS. I'm just going to spell it wrong. Let's hit enter. Error. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you've not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button now. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.